welcome back with a new and interesting topic, animals. A variety of animals are around us. Some animals are big and some are very small. So today we will know about some animals. Number 1. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are very useful for us. We keep them in farms or near our homes. डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स वो एनिमल्स होते हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत उपयोगी होते हैं और जिन्हें हम पालते हैं और रखते हैं अपने घर के आसपास. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. काऊ. Cow is a domestic animal. We get milk from cow. Horse. Horse are used for riding. Camel. These are found in deserts and carry our loads. Buffalo. We get milk from buffalo. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. Goat. We get milk from goat. So you have seen so many examples of domestic animals और ये domestic animals किसी न किसी तरह से हमारे लिए बहुत उपयोगी होते हैं, तो हम इनको पालकर अपने घरों के आसपास ही रखते हैं. Wild animals. Some animals live freely in jungles or in natural conditions. They are called wild animals. कुछ एनिमल्स फ्रीली जंगल्स में रहते हैं, तो ये एनिमल्स होते हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाइगर, डियर, लायन, जिराफ, fox, elephant and zebra. These are some wild animals. Now we will discuss some water animals. वो animals जो पानी में रहते हैं. Animals living in water are called water animals. For example, crocodile, octopus, starfish, tortoise, dolphin. These are all water animals. Insects. Children, animals with 6 legs are called insects. ऐसे animals जिनके 6 legs होते हैं यानी पैर होते हैं, they are called insects. They are very small animals. Some of them can fly like butterfly, cockroach, etc. while some crawls or walk. For example, mosquito, fly, spider, butterfly, cockroach and ants are the examples of some insects. Now, birds. Birds are animals that can fly. Birds have wings to fly in the air. Their body is covered with feather. Their 2 legs help them to walk. Some birds, like duck, can swim in the water, while birds like ostrich and penguin cannot fly. Children, now you will learn more about some animals. Do you know? Spider is an insect it has 8 legs, while other insects have only 6 legs. Children, do you know? Giraffe is the tallest animal on the land. Children, some animals live on land as well as in water. These are called amphibians. यानी कुछ एनिमल्स जमीन पे और पानी में दोनों में ही रह सकते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं एम्फीबियंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉग, क्रोकोडाइल एंड टर्टोइज. These are example of some amphibian. So children, in this video we learned about domestic animals, wild animals, water animals, insects, birds and amphibians. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching.